Hi, I'm Anup, and I welcome you all to Blue Saffron, the podcast program of Credit-Vs-Deductions-in-Australia, sponsored by Jani Plastics. And you're about to receive knowledge on Indian and Australian GST, goods and service tax. Yeah, you got it right, mate. Let's get started, shall we? Credits versus deductions in Australian taxation system. What we mean here by that is GST credits versus income tax deductions. You can save taxes legally and ethically in many ways. GST credits are input tax credits, or call it ITC. That's a GST registered business can claim in their entire business course. Another way is to claim the expense other than GST based purchases to reduce your business income so that tax is saved. Let's study that by some examples. Imagine a GST registered company started owned by John. So assume that John has computer accessories and repair business that is GST registered. On purchase of stationery worth $500 that attracts 10% GST $50. So he can claim back $50 as GST credits, and the remaining balance of $500 worth expense he can claim as deduction by filing the income tax return. Let's take another example of the GST unregistered company. So in continuation of this, had John not been GST registered, he couldn't get $50 GST credits, so he couldn't claim input tax credit then. However, he could easily claim full $550 as income tax deduction on his income tax return filing. Let's take another example of GST registered company where he cannot claim the input tax supplies. Now friends, when I say input tax supplies, that includes goods or services or both. So assume that Angela, with her own GST registered business, has rented out a residential apartment that needs some repair that would cost her 1,000 Australian dollars. The 10% GST would be $100, which is input taxed. However, since she is not entitled to claim the GST credit as it's the personal residential apartment, in that case, she can claim a tax benefit from income tax with a full amount of Australian $1,100. So my dear listeners, I hope you enjoyed the audio. I also hope there was some takeaway for you. Signing off now. We'll come up with more interesting episodes. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Keep liking your one and only Blue Saffron. Cheers. Bye-bye.